Hey everyone, this is Jen Davis, Vice President of MAPS Coaching, and I want to invite you to this year's Spring Masterminds. The theme of the event is Reimagine. We're taking a holistic approach to coaching to the whole person. We want to talk to you and learn with you about our health, our wealth, our leadership skills, what it's like to be an agent in today's market, and how we add value to our clients, and how we demonstrate that value. We're going to do things like have breakouts that are yoga classes. We're going to talk to you about stress management, exercise, diet, how to sell your business when you're ready to retire, how to buy a business if you're looking to acquire one. We also are going to introduce you to one of our top agents. He's in the top 10 of all agents in our company, and he was in foster care growing up. And what his life mission looks like now that he's a successful agent and what that give back looks like. We all have different choices to make, and we all have different paths that we're on. And a lot of times to each of us at different seasons in our life, we have to reimagine. We have to reimagine our value. We have to reimagine our job description. We have to reimagine what a life could be like outside of the circumstances that we're currently in. We also have a local entrepreneur in San Antonio. He is the only Black-owned pizza parlor owner, and he's going to share with us his story and his journey from being in prison to owning a successful business and what that looks like now. We have so much more. We have breakouts. We have all types of things that are going to focus on different areas, the different circles of your life. And our keynote speaker is Bethany Hamilton, Soul Surfer. And she's going to talk to us about how she had to learn to adapt after the shark attack. How fast did she have to change to adapt to still be a competitive surfer, to now be a mom to three small children. So we're super excited to see you in San Antonio. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to maps@kw.com. And just remember, this isn't just for our mastery clients. This is open to all associates. We would love to see you there.